Here's the app called RITHMM, AI sports betting, AI player props and predictions. So let's just try to get it. So here it is. AI sports betting platform for smarter picks. Dominate your bets with cutting-edge AI predictions, advanced sport analytics, and real-time player props. This app takes sports betting to the next level. AI-powered betting predictions tailored your strategy, advanced sports analytics, custom betting models, player props, and more. So here you can just open it up. And here is the app. So let's try to create an account for you so you can just take a look. And then here, that's what you can see in here. And then there's also promo code. And then here is the app in here. So that's the idea. You can then just skip. And then you can get started. Create your own model using RITHMM. Check your predictions with confidence. Track bets. And then you can then just select a model. There is a pre-built model. And then you can just try to use it. So you can see total points, you can see spread. So it's quite advanced, so you need to spend some time in here. So here you can see like there are all data points related to running, passing, offense, defense. And basically you see these predictions. And based on these AI data points, they can kind of predict who will win in next games. So quite cool. And like you can see, like depending on each player data from previous match, you can see percentage of the win probability, and then you can see your predictions. So pretty interesting idea actually. So yeah, you can see in here. And then yeah, so that's just what you have. And yeah, so try it out.